Now I'm going to turn off the layer that contains the ring body. Now I want to add a couple of pins to attach both halves together. So I'll come back up to my libraries, pick solids, grab cylinder, drag it into the work area, hit import, OK. Now I want to change the position so it's crossing these two lines. So I'm going to rotate on x-axis, snap it into position. Now I'm going to change the size. I want it to be about 1.5 millimeter. So I'll scale 3D. I can do this numerically or by hand. So let's go with about 1.5 millimeters. Now I want to stretch this a little bit longer. So I'm going to scale 1D, pick a point, move that out. Now I want to place this pin on the internal diameter of the ring. So I go and select Orient on Line, pick my line. Now I want to place this pin in a couple of positions. 1, 2, and one more at the bottom. Now I want to move these pins tangent to the internal diameter of the ring. So now I'm going to select Y-axis, select the object. I'm prompted for a tangency point. I pick that and set it in position. We do the same with the other ones. Select the direction of movement, select the object, pick the tangency point, snap it into position. Do the last one, select the direction of movement, select the object, select the tangency point, snap it into position. Now I'm going to mirror these two pins across Y-axis. Now I'm ready to turn the ring body back on. Now I'm going to adjust the pins so they cross the gap. I'm going to move this on Z-axis, just like that. Let's move this one, like that. The bottom one's fine. This first one's fine. This one could use a little movement, just like that. Now let's join both halves together. So we're going to use Boolean join. We'll come up here, union, select the first object, select our pins, hit enter, delete the control stars. Now let's attach both halves together. Boolean union, select the second object. Now it's one piece. So let's go ahead and turn off the ring body again. Change its layer first. Turn the layer off. Now let's put an under bezel onto the diamond. So we'll come up here to seats and under bezels. We'll drag a seat into the work area. OK. Now I want to snap that to the bottom of the diamond. So I use the snap to function again. Select the diamond, enter. Now let's attach the under bezel to the main body section. So that'll be Boolean union again. So we'll select union, and then select our under bezel. Hit enter. Delete the control star. Now let's move this back to layer number 1. Change object layer. Now the ring's done. We can change how we're viewing it with a shaded profile. Turn off the grid. Now you can get a good look at what the ring's going to look like. Delete anything like that, and we are complete.